combine training and writing, and we want to be good trainers, we want to be good writers. It's not easy. So I really hope that whatever he said was a futuristic statement, and one day will really become celebrated authors. You know? So, in the last 3.5 years since I left my job and I started this journey of being some kind of pretentious entrepreneur, not really an entrepreneur by training, but somebody who's still learning on the way, I've just realized one thing about success, and it's a very simple statement. Success is a journey, not a destination. And when I was in 9th standard, or 8th standard, 7th standard, some point of time, there used to be this question in the English language, in the English paper, in school. So they used to ask, success is a journey, not a destination. True or false? So just to get that 1 mark, we used to tick true. But we never really understood the depth of that statement. And I only understood it in the last 3.5 years, since this whole journey has started. You know, and it really is a journey. It's a wonderful journey, and I'm so thankful to Sammy for the simple reason that he is the one who encouraged me to write, and he is the one who introduced me to the world of publishing. And I think without him, I couldn't have started my writing career at all. And for 20 years, I struggled to write. My wife knows it very well. Every time I used to try and write something, and I would tear it off. And those were the pre-computer days, you know. So you used to write on a piece of paper and then tear it off. So it is incredible that how in the last 1.5 years, I managed to bring out the 4th book. Even though this is a combination of our first 2 books, it's a relaunch, but still you have to do some work on it. So I think, first of all, I think it only is appropriate for me to do this, and I should really thank Sammy from the bottom of my heart for partnering in writing this. I really mean it from the bottom of my heart. We are very strange partners. As you can see, we are dressed very differently. He likes to look informal, but he's absolutely formal in the way he talks. And I look absolutely formal, but I am extremely indecent sometimes in the way I communicate. So, so I'm extremely informal. So it's like chalk and cheese. I made a little partnership here to write a book. So it's very funny. And no love is lost between us. There is hardly a day when I don't feel like shouting at him. There is hardly a day he doesn't feel like giving it back to me. But then because he stays alone and my house is open to him for food and tea, coffee, he doesn't take too much Punjabi. So from that perspective, it's an absolutely wonderful partnership. It's a beautiful blessing. And I remember the first book we wrote together, the 2020 Formula, was actually a book which we were writing as a reference material. We were not even planning to print it as a book. We just thought we wanted a reference material for a Reiki workshop that I was conducting. And so I wrote down 25 principles of health, healing, harmony and happiness. So, before we could realize, we had a book in our hands. So, so I think it's just the way God has planned it for us. It's an incredible moment right now. As I'm talking, I can't express my emotions, through the words that I'm speaking. It's such a beautiful moment also because today I have met 2 of my close friends after 20 years. There are 2 of my friends here, Ragnesh and Johnson. Like always, they have allowed me to take center stage and they're sitting at the back looking very humble. And it's amazing. And they have come just because I phoned them, I requested them to be here. So I'm very, very touched by their presence here. Meeting them after 20 years, it's an incredible feeling right now. And similarly, I have another ex-colleague of mine, a friend, Vaishali, whom I met, I think, about 15, 16 years, a few weeks back. So what this writing thing is doing is really, it's connecting me back. Not only to myself, it's also connecting me back to a lot of people whom I loved a lot. And it's bringing back a lot of my friends from my earlier organizations and also from my earlier career as a journalist. So it's incredible. And I always wondered, why was I a journalist for 6 years? What was I doing? And now I got the answer in the last 1.5 years. God has somewhere prepared me to be a journalist so that I could be a writer at a later stage. And hopefully I'll do a good job of it. Because I have the habit of getting carried away, and I can already see Sammy giving me some subtle signals. I would just like to say a couple of things that my life has really changed in the last 3.5 years, and out of that I would like to pick out 1.5 years of this writing period, simply because it's actually got me very closer to my family, not just my immediate family, also my cousins, my other family members, many of whom are present here today. And it's helped me to reach out to a much larger set of people in this world. As you can see, a set of youngsters standing there, all my students from an MBA institution where I teach them about life and success. So they come all the way, they made the effort to be here, and I'm really, really touched by that. And I think this is one of the most beautiful days in our life, Sammy. November 28, 2012. Not only because our book launch is happening, it's also a wonderful day. It's Guru Nanak Jayanti. We also chose this day because we wanted the blessings of the Lord. And it is just a beautiful feeling that each one of you is here. And I really value the fact that you are here today, because you could have chosen to be anywhere else at this point of time, but you chose to be with us. And that really gives me a very humble feeling. And I really, really thank you for being here with us today. Just last two things I want to say. One is about my parents who are again with us today. When I was growing up, I was not really a child whom they believed would grow up to do something incredible in life. You know, and it was not their fault. I behaved like that. But over the years, the way life has shaped up, I am very happy that I have a reason to make them feel a little better about myself and make them feel a little proud about the kind of work that I'm doing. So I really thank them for being here. And my brother, who's also with us today, where is Ravi? It's tough to make him sit in one place for such a long time. And I followed his example of restlessness because he was born before me. And I learned everything about the English language and the ability to word sentences and think analytically from my parents and my brother. So I really want to thank them for And finally, this book is about honey, I love money, success and you. So how can I forget my honey? We have really, it will be absolutely inappropriate if I don't share with you the fact that this cover has been designed by my honey, Rita Hariharan. If there is any one person who has to suffer the most, not because of my bad behavior, I'm a well-behaved guy, but who has to suffer the most because of my eccentricities that I do in life and all the eccentric decisions that I take, she is the one, but still somehow she has managed to stand by me for close to 17 long years. It's been 17 very short years for me, but very long for her. So I really thank her from the bottom of my heart for being here today. And of course, our little angel, who's not really little anymore, Diksha, who was giving away the roses. And she has been, just seeing her grow up the way she does is an inspiration to write. Because she provides you with so much understanding about life, and you understand that this is how you probably would have grown up in your childhood days, and you don't have much memories about it. So I wish I could take every single person's name who has come here today. Please pardon me for that. I'm not able to take the names of each one of you, and also pardon us for the fact that we don't have each one of you on stage here. You really are our guest of honors. And I really thank you very, very much from the bottom of my heart for being with us today. Ladies and gentlemen, God bless you. Thank you very much.